No, that's not allowed. Only parts. Parts, or I'm not gonna play with you ever again.
Why not parts? My own channel.
No, I don't care.
Plus, I'm probably gonna gain out to more subscribers.
Who cares about subscribers?
I do. I'm on one.
Do you think we're gonna die? I'm recording. Do you think we're gonna die?
Die.
Okay. What can we do?
Let's try.
Stop, Max. No, we were supposed to flashbang.
Oh, I wasted it.
Let's go fix the generators.
Long 6.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, look at this.
Ew. I think I regret saying that. Where's Puppet? No, I'm not going in the dining area. Where are you? No, did you die? Fix the generators. Go, did you fix one? Are you fixing one? Okay, go fix one. Well, let's try to score. I'm restarting this. No! I can't, I'm dead. Okay, let's fix it. I can't believe I died. Max, I'll let you know where is he. I'll go first. Let me go first. He's not in the dining area. You're safe to go. He's not in the dining. He's right there. He was right there. He was literally right there. He's coming to you. He's in the dining area. He's here. He's up. Go. It's your chance. Go. It's your chance. Come follow me.
I see one.
Yeah, that one. I'll let you know if he's coming or not. We need to beat Puppet's revenge. That's what I'm doing.
Okay. Go for me. Go in front. You're my guardian. I found one.
Okay, I'll let you know.